Hello and welcome to the installation video for CURT's 56429 custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness installed on the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. This wiring harness fits a variety of vehicles. Please visit our website to see the most current vehicle fitment coverage and to find the custom wiring harness for your vehicle. Before we begin, please refer to your vehicle's owner's manual to identify your vehicle's recommended towing capacity to protect your vehicle, yourself, and everyone else on the road. Locate the vehicle's factory wiring harness connector up underneath the bumper, shown here. It'll be similar to the CURT wiring harness connector. You will need to separate the vehicle connector from the weather seal connector by unlocking a red tab and carefully depressing a locking tab. Once separated, insert the CURT harness connector into the factory wiring connector. Use the red locking tab to secure the connectors together. Tuck the CURT wiring harness up under the bumper cover to prevent any damage from road debris, and use the included zip ties to fasten the harness near the receiver hitch. To finish this installation with a clean look, we are installing our 53801 mounting bracket for the 4-flat connector right to the hitch. Mark with a paint pen where you'd like the bracket, drill out pilot holes, and mount with self-tapping screws. Fit the 4-flat connector into the bracket by pushing it into the bracket from behind. The bracket will hold it in place. Don't forget to install the included 4-flat weather cover to prevent corrosion. Be sure to test your new wiring harness with an electrical tester or a properly wired trailer. That completes the installation of 56429 custom trailer wiring harness installed on the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. Be sure to read and understand your vehicle's recommended towing capacity before you tow. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, and please check out CURTMFG.com for all your towing products and towing information needs. Always tow safely.